Today in the industrial sector, staying competitive requires embracing digital transformation. This process involves integrating advanced technologies such as IoT, AI, and big data to optimize production, enhance product quality, and accelerate innovation. Through digitalization, companies can monitor operations in real time, predict equipment failures with predictive maintenance, streamline supply chains, and reduce waste. Smart factories and IoT sensors improve efficiency, while technologies like cloud computing drive faster innovation. In a competitive market, Industry 4.0 is the key to long-term success. By adopting digital transformation, companies not only improve their processes, but also prepare for future challenges with greater sustainability and an enhanced customer experience. Predictive maintenance is a clear example of how digital transformation is reshaping the manufacturing industry. Aventune combines IoT and artificial intelligence through its innovative solution, Powa, which consists of Powa Core and Powa AI. Powa Core monitors industrial assets using intelligent sensors and a unified control panel, accessible even remotely. Powa AI processes and analyzes data, transforming it into reports and dashboards to provide an accurate real-time overview of trends across the entire production chain. Choose Aventune. Contact us today for a free demo. Discover more at aventune.com.